Sekarang saya berada di Nagoya, to be exact, Nagoya Castle. Okay. Alright. So ada ramai orang beratur kat belakang tu. Diorang nak masuk ke Honmaru Palace. Apalah, saya skip pun. Okay, Nagoya ni the first place semasa kakak saya belajar kat sini. So saya datang sini tahun 2001 after habis SPM. So this was the first place in Japan yang saya datang. So belakang sana, I'm not sure you can see or not, sebab memang matahari tengah naik sebelah ni. And so that's the Nagoya main upkeep. Cuma sayang sekali tak boleh masuk Dia tengah renovate or something like that. And also sakura kat sini belum buka juga. So sama juga kat Wakayama, most of the sakura not yet open here in Nagoya. Okay, but yang nampak tak yang batu-batu tu? So those the macam original place sebab 1945 tu, masa World War II tu kan ada apa, air raid kan, apa, air strike. So it damages a lot of the part of the castle. Sekejap kita pergi sini. Tadi saya nampak satu angle yang baik cuba, nanti saya cuba tengok je. Mungkin kalau dari sini kot. So you can see the main castle tower. Foundation stones. These are cornerstones. Which was burned. So they're relocated. So ni original castle stones. Okay, saya baca tadi juga this castle is considered one of the largest untuk flatland. Nampak sikit batu. Oh, angle ni walawa. Baru nampak tadi matahari. So this is much nicer from here. So mungkin belakang tu mood. Betul lah, mood. So saya notice castle-castle kat Jepun ni selalu penuh dengan moats. Is to prevent, I think, during the serangan. Serangan daripada musuh. So strategi lah basically. Okay, I think this is the nicest view I can get lah. Sebab matahari tengah naik di arah sana, so I couldn't get a better view than this. At least this one, matahari tu tak kacau. So we can see it more nicely from here. So Nagoya ni basically one of the big cities in Japan. Is it the fourth largest? I think fourth largest. So it's easy to come to Nagoya. Dia banyak cara dari Osaka, you can use the bullet train from Tokyo. You can use the bullet train. Ataupun you boleh naik bus. Kalau dari Osaka yang saya tahu, ataupun Kyoto, or cheaper way, you naik Kintetsu, tapi lambat lah sikit. Naik Kintetsu line, so you can come to Nagoya. Dia ada Kintetsu rail pass and it's not that expensive. So basically you can use that to come to Nagoya. Tak susah datang Nagoya ni sebab dia bandar yang besar. So it's relatively easy lah compare dengan Wakayama yang saya pergi 2-3 hari lepas. And this is much closer to the Osaka area where most of you will land either in Kicks, Kansai International Airport, ataupun you akan land dekat Narita or Haneda lah. Jadi daripada Kansai Airport Osaka, so nak ke sini not as difficult. Okay, I wish I could have boleh masuk sayang sekali tak boleh masuk sebab dia tengah renovate. Not my day I guess. Sebab jarang saya datang ke Nagoya usually just to meet my friend, makan-makan dinner, and then we all chat about 2 to 3 hours. Then usually saya dah balik atau balik ke Osaka, ataupun usually saya nak head ke Takayama. Plan saya after this maybe I'll go to Oskanon kot, nak pergi tengok-tengok some what do they offer. Dia macam shopping arcade lah macam mana. And then after that I'll shoot to Nagoya station balik. Saya akan jumpa kawan saya insyaAllah malam ni. Hopefully the plan is still on. Okay, jumpa kawan saya yang saya selalu jumpa every time I come to Japan. So kita orang lepak-lepak, makan-makan, sembang-sembang. Then itulah macam biasa. We'll meet up again maybe a few months later or maybe the next year. Alright, so Nagoya ni one thing because saya ingat the first time I came to Japan dengan the language barrier, and then tak ada teknologi macam zaman sekarang. So it was tough last time travelling Japan. So teringat lah naik basikal apa. That time my sister punya senpai pinjamkan basikal. So naik basikal tu pusing sampai jugalah Nagoya Castle ni, tapi tak tahu macam mana nak masuk, apa semua, nak tanya pun takut. So that kind of thing lah. So to me this Nagoya Castle ni ada nostalgic dia feeling apa nostalgic feeling for me. Okay, sebab saya duduk sini sebulan dulu tahun 2001. So itulah cerita dia. So okay guys, one day you come to Nagoya, don't forget to visit Nagoya Castle. Hopefully the main upkeep tu dia dah open. Okay, tadi ramai beratur nak masuk Honmaru Palace. Honmaru Palace tu pun one of the places yang kena bom basically kena air strike tahun 1945. So selain daripada tempat ni this main castle tower, so the Honmaru places pun tapi panjang sangat, so I'm not that in a mood to nak beratur panjang macam tu So I'll be heading to Oskanon after this insyaAllah. So alright, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoy the view. Assalamualaikum.